seen a pitch deck so bad you want to invest in earplugs? Yeah, me too. The truth is, even the most brilliant startups can actually sabotage their own funding with hidden pitfalls. Welcome, fellow entrepreneurs. I'm your host, Nursu, and today we're dissecting the unheard of mistakes that derail pitch decks. Forget the same old don't use Comic Sans advice, because we're going undercover, revealing the investor's secret red flags. We'll explore the classic pitfalls, sure, but we're also digging into the new age mistakes that trip up even savvy founders. So if you're ready, let's dive right in. The hype trap. Don't just promise to disrupt the market. Investors see through jargon. Back up your claims with solid data and a clear roadmap that outlines the specific steps you'll take to achieve your ambitious goals. Quantify the impact of your solution and explain how it will revolutionize the industry. The Feature Avalanche. Don't drown investors in a sea of features. Focus on the core value proposition and explain how it solves a real problem for your target audience. Investors aren't looking for a feature checklist. They want to understand the fundamental benefit your product offers. Sure, you may have a laundry list of features in the pipeline, but prioritize the ones that directly address the customer's pain points and showcase those in your deck. The missing why. Investors don't just fund products, they fund passion. Show them the deeper purpose behind your idea and the impact you want to create. What drives you and your team to bring this solution to the world? And how will your product make a positive difference? Connecting with investors on an emotional level can be just as important as presenting a watertight business plan. The Frankenstein Team. Your team isn't a monster stitched together from random skills. Highlight complementary strengths and a shared vision that makes your team unstoppable. Investors want to see a team with the expertise, experience, and dedication to navigate the challenges ahead. Explain how each team member's unique background contributes to the overall success of the venture. Don't just list impressive job titles. Showcase the team's collaborative spirit and unwavering commitment to your mission. The Financials Mirage. Don't pull numbers out of thin air. Present realistic projections with clear justifications and be ready to answer tough questions. Investors are savvy. They can spot overly optimistic forecasts a mile away. Demonstrate a deep understanding of your market and the costs associated with bringing your product to fruition. Be transparent about your funding needs and how you plan to utilize the capital to achieve your growth objectives. Remember, your pitch deck is your chance to shine, not your chance to stumble. By avoiding these hidden pitfalls, you'll show investors you're the real deal and you're ready to conquer the market. That's all the time we have for this episode, but make sure you stay tuned and hit that notification bell so you're always in the know. Until next time, guys, pitch smart.